Alright, hello today. So I'm going to build an automation workflow in MailChimp, and I'm going to show you how you can build an automation workflow in MailChimp. So right now, if you want to build from scratch or choose a template, so if you want to choose a pre-built MailChimp template, you can go to choose flow template. So me, I'm going to go to build from scratch because I want to build from scratch. I'll show you how you can also build from scratch. Alright, so I just go to click from scratch, build from scratch, and then I'm going to input my name. So I want to build a new product because a new product delivery is coming in, right? So I want to build a flow for a new product that is coming in and for an e-commerce store, right? So right now we are running an ads in our landing page, alright? So right now, and then I want to build this flow in MailChimp. Alright, so now I go to filter and I have to select the landing page, right? So I go to the sign up source and then was added, right, landing page, right? So and then I choose UK2 because this was the name I gave to the landing page, so I use this segment. So here I save the trigger. So my first step automation is my first step customer journey is the trigger, right? So now when they sign in here, what needs to be done? I want to add them to a tag. Alright, so when they sign in, I need to tag them, right? So I then add a tag here, and then I can select the tag, and let's say now when they sign in, I call them my student, course student, right? So now I call them my course student, and then I add the tag student. So when they sign in, they are being tagged, right? So now when they sign in and being tagged, I send them now a new email, right? Probably an email that shows that you guys, my new products, new product, and then shared. I just want to put the title of the page because I'm not going to build a new email. If you want to check how to build a new email, you can go back to the previous lesson I did on this class. So right now I'm just going to show how to build this flow in MailChimp. Alright, so now I just put this email so I can be able to differentiate when I'm segmenting the email, so I can be able to know which one is this. So now I close this, and then in automation, now you know that this is called branch, right? And now each of these branch represent a decision, right, being made. So now, and then I want to make this decision, and then I put this branch, and then I put this step, right? So now when I send them an email, now two decisions are supposed to be made, right? Either the customer clicks the email, or either the customer open the email or the customer don't open the email. So now we have two choices now, right? So now we're going to put if or if or else, which is a conditional statement, and then we're going to choose if the customer, I'm going to choose the interaction, the email interaction, and if the customer open this email, and we're going to select the email, and remember we created this email new product shirt, right? And then we're going to use this email, right? So if the customer open this email, please get the customer to here. But before I do this over to here, you can get them over here. Just add a time delay, and just wait up for 1 week, and then you're good to go. And then add over here too as well, and then and then add over here too as well, and then wait up for 1 week, and now we have a very good gigantic branches. Alright, so now when the customer opens the email, it goes over here. When the customer doesn't open the email, it goes over here. So right now when the customer opens the email, alright, let's send them another email, replica of this email too, right? But now I have to put new product shirts, indicating that this is the second email, right? New product, and then I put shirt, and then I put 2, presenting that this is the second email that was sent. Now with different subjects, but you can still put the same email because the customer didn't open the last email, so you know that the customer didn't read what you took your time to design, and you know that email is going to convert, right? So you're going to resend the email, and now you're going to use a better subject line, because now you know that once the client doesn't open your email, it means that your subject line is not good. But when a client opens your, when you have a very good open rate, it means that yeah, you have a good subject line. So now we are changing the subject line, and then we are sending the email again to the client. All right. So this is for this step, right? So for this step, that when the client open this email, and then when the client open this email, and then we'll just maybe send him another email like showing him, because, or maybe instead of sending him another email, we'll just tag him again, because this client already like indicates that, oh, I love this email that he opened, or maybe he clicked it, and which we can still go and check the click, or we can still assign this customer based on click as well. So but right now it's just an introduction, and if just for beginners steps. All right, so right now you can still go, and then you can still tag when he opens this email, and then you can just tag him as a pro or anything. I'm just using my already existing tags, all right, over here. So if you want to create a new tag, you can watch my old videos. All right, so now I tag this customer cost pro, and then I open these new emails. And if this customer, same way, let's say now you send him this second email, and you want to check for clicks and elsewhere, I name this email, okay, let me just put this email, new products shoe, and then I click save, and then okay, so right now we have to make 2 branches. All right, so now we are making 2 steps now. So now instead of using open, you're going to use click. So if this customer clicks this email, now instead of using open, we're going to use click. All right, so if this customer clicks this particular email, which is the shoe product, right? So now we have 2 options. Either he clicks, and then yeah, please tag this client a patient. It's not the right word, but yeah, that's what I have in my tags. All right, and I don't want to open a new tag over here and returning back. So for the purpose of this class, I'm going to use this patient. All right, so and then I'm going to add, and you can also add webhook, and you can also when the client doesn't click, you can just archive this client, and that's all for the day. So when the client is archived, just go archive. It won't be in your marketing emails anymore, and you can group, you can send webhook. All right, you can split the parts, and let's say now you want to split the parts, and when they clicked, and then you want to split parts and send them like different emails, because now that when you send 2 emails and you measure the 2 emails, it's more like an email campaign, and you measure the 2 emails and one is doing better than the others. It means that the email that is doing better than the other is a very good email, which contains a good open rate, CTA, and the email is well structured. So you don't need someone to tell you that this data is already like showing you the right result to use. So you use the right data. So this is where you use split part. All right, so I can't be able to launch this automation here because I'm not upgraded to the MailChimp Pro plan. So right now I'm just going to stop over here, but this is how you can build a simple automation. Well, this is not simple, but this is how you can build an automation workflow in MailChimp. All right, very easy, very fast, and very nice to build. All right, so keep using MailChimp, and watch out for my next tutorial on HubSpot. All right, thank you very much, and see you guys next week.